In this video, let's take a look at importing shapes into a TPC drawing. I've got a shapefile open here. It's a FEMA map from Central Texas. And if I open up the attributes table, I'm in QGIS, I see that I've got 1,089 features in here. Now, these are polylines, and there are over 1,000 of them. So if I were to come into Traverse PC and to say that I wanted to import those into a survey, Traverse PC would say, okay, if you're going to import those, what's your Traverse threshold? I've got it set at 20. If Traverse PC sees a shape file with more than 20 shapes in it, and I import that as a Traverse because it's polylines, Traverse PC is going to stop and say, are you sure you want to do that? And I'm likely to say, no, I don't want to. That's 1,000 of them, and I don't want to create a Traverse for each one of those. I can still get those into Traverse PC, but I probably just don't want to do file import from the survey. Instead, I can go Tools, Import Data into Drawing. I can again say Ezra Shape, and I can pick that file that I want to bring in. And new in TPC Desktop 2026, I can select either the shape or the zip file. Either one is fine. And then I'm simply going to tell Traverse PC, when you import points, use a tick or an X symbol. If you're importing polylines, I don't really need that. So everything looks good here. I'm going to turn on details so I can see what I'm actually importing. And let's go ahead and import that file. So Traverse PC is importing those polylines. It's numbering those for me. And I'm going to see all 1,089 of them imported here. So when I'm all done, I show that the 189th polyline has been imported. In my message view, I've got all the information about that. So it tells me the file that I was importing. And for each polyline, it tells me the layer that it's on and how many points it has. So I can simply come into the drawing now and do a zoom extents. And Traverse PC will create that same shape map for me. Let's go to QGIS. Here it is in kind of a brownish color. Here it is in Traverse PC, and I could simply change the color if I wanted on this. But now each of these shapes is a polyline. So if I put the cursor over any one of these, it's a polyline on the 0 layer. I've got 500 vertices in this particular one, and there's the length. So real quick video on bringing those shape files into a drawing. When I don't want to bring them into a survey creating points and traverses, I just want to get them in the drawing so I can use it in that drawing.